Title: How to make money on YouTube, monetize your channel and turn your passion into profit. Background music starts. Host, smiling, and quote, hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of YouTube and uncovering how you can transform your creativity into a source of income. So, if you've ever wondered how to make money on YouTube, you've come to the right place! And quote. Engaging visuals of YouTube creators and their channels. Host, and quote. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing clear: building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and passion. So, if you're ready to put in the effort and have fun along the way, let's explore the incredible opportunities awaiting you! And quote. Scene transition. Host, and quote. The first step to monetizing your YouTube channel is joining the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to run ads on your videos and earn a share of the revenue generated. To be eligible, you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Once you hit that milestone, you're on your way to earning through ads! And quote. Visual representation of ads on YouTube videos. Host, and quote. But ads aren't your only option. Another way to make money on YouTube is through sponsorships. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services. So, if you have a dedicated audience, you can reach out to them and negotiate sponsorship deals. You can either charge a fee for a sponsored video or seamlessly integrate their product into your captivating content. And quote. Scene transition. Host, and quote. Let's talk about going live. YouTube's Super Chat feature allows your fans to pay to have their messages highlighted during your live streams. It's a fantastic way to engage with your audience and earn some extra income at the same time. You can use live streaming to host events, Q&A sessions, or simply hang out with your subscribers, all while making money! And quote.